Hi, my name is Anya, and today I'll be talking about the post office murderer while making a chocolate chip no-bake cheesecake. If there's any cases you want me to talk about, please leave them in the comment section below. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about the post office murderer while making a chocolate chip no-bake cheesecake. Disclaimer, I am telling the case as I perceived it. I mean no disrespect to the victims or the victim's family. Let me know in the comments if I missed something about the case. Winene Matiana was a first-year student, went to Clare Inch Post Office to inquire about a parcel. Buerta, who was the attending post office worker, informed her that her parcel had not arrived yet. They exchanged details. Buerta arranged that the victim would come back to the post office under the impression that her parcel had arrived. He arranged that they would be alone. Winene arrived at the post office and Buerta started to make sexual advances towards her. She ignored him and according to him, she looked scared. This is a quote from Buerta. I grabbed her by the waist and I forcibly pulled her closer to me. The deceased fought back while I sexually violated her. After going through such trauma, Winene managed to run to the door, but Buerta caught up to her and knocked her to the ground. He dragged her to the post office safe and locked her there, and according to Buerta, she kept screaming. Like, no shit, dude. Did you think she was just gonna go quietly? He tried to choke her, but she kept kicking him. He grabbed a 2 kg weight and bludgeoned her to death. Buerta then left and drank alcohol. When he came back, he covered her body in cushions, blankets, and jackets, and went home. When he returned the next day, he put her body in a large postal mail bag and placed her into his car. He dumped her body and doused her body in accelerant and lit her body on fire. Buerta, age 42, is currently serving 1 life sentence for murder, 1 each for 2 counts of sexual assault, and 5 years for defeating the ends of justice. Another thing about this case is it was known that he had a criminal record, and if he was not given the position that he was given, Winene might have still been alive today. And that was the postal murder case. Again, if I missed something about the case, please leave it in the comments section below. Until next time, bye.